So today we are going to discuss about lithium-ion batteries. In our previous discussion, we have discussed about nickel metal hydride battery, the advantages and applications of nickel metal hydride battery. So lithium batteries are separate type of batteries or wherein anode is always a lithium. So it might be composition of lithium, it might be lithium cobalt oxide, lithium manganese oxide or anything, but always anode will be made up of lithium. This is a special feature of lithium batteries. So what are lithium batteries? So the special characteristics of lithium battery is that the anode is always made up of lithium. So now let us see the construction and working of this lithium ion battery. So this lithium ion battery, the anodic active species is lithium cobalt oxide, cathodic active species is graphite. So lithium cobalt oxide anode and graphite cathode are layer solids and can accommodate metals and their ions in between their layers. So it will be in the form of layer solids. If you have this, so what will happen? It will be in the form of layers. So this is one layer, this is one layer, so this is one layer. So it will be in the form of layers. That is both lithium cobalt oxide and graphite. So because of this special characteristics of lithium cobalt oxide and graphite, what will happen? The movement of electrons will be easy and that increases the conduction, induces the conduction. So the process of metals and their ions entering into the layer solid is known as intercalation process. So during discharge process, lithium from lithium cobalt oxide will be liberated as Li plus and enters into graphite. So during discharge, what will happen? Lithium will be liberated. Lithium ion will be liberated from lithium cobalt oxide as Li plus and it will enter into the cathode. So graphite being a layered solid, it will accommodate the lithium ion, thus completing the conduction process. This process continues until all lithium accumulates as Li plus in graphite. For instance, in your mobile, you will have battery 100% charged. When you start using the mobile, it might be you will be using for playing games or using for presentation or any purpose or calling. What will happen? The battery slowly starts discharging. It will become 70%, 80%. That implies that the lithium present, it is getting converted to lithium plus. So 70%, if your battery shows 70%, it implies that 30% of lithium is converted to Li plus. If it shows 60%, 60% of the 40% of the lithium is converted to Li plus. Next, we're going to during the charging process. The charging process occurs when the battery is connected to a external power supply, where the above said process is reversed. So during charging process, what will happen? So the process will be reversed. That you can understand that better when you see the reactions. So at anode, what will happen? Lithium cobalt oxide undergoes oxidation to give lithium 1 minus X cobalt oxide and lithium ion and electrons. So here we are very much lithium ion is important. So lithium undergoes oxidation to give Li plus and electron. So this is during discharge when you are using your mobile, right? So next, this lithium ion will enter into graphite, forming graphite lithium. So this lithium cobalt, the overall reaction is carbon, lithium, what is graphite or carbon, lithium cobalt oxide gives this. So during discharge process, the reaction will become reversed. Li plus plus X electrons gives what? Lithium cobalt oxide. So during discharge, that is during when you are charging, what will happen? Your battery will be 10%. You will connect it to the electric socket and charge. When you charge, you are supplying the electric current. Electric current means you are giving the electrons. When you are giving electrons, what will happen? When you are giving electrons, so the lithium Li plus will accept the electrons and it will give Li. So initially it will be 10%. When you charge, it will start becoming 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and finally 100. It implies when it's increasing 20% and charging, it implies 20% of Li plus is converted to lithium. 30% means 30% lithium is converted to lithium. So 100% means 100% of lithium ion is converted to lithium. Okay, and during charging, so if it is 70% charged means 70% discharging means 70% of Li plus is converted to Li. 80% means 80% of Li plus is converted to Li. 90% means 90% of Li plus is converted to Li. 100% means 100% of Li plus is converted to Li. So this is what. So during discharge, it is other way. During recharge, it is during charging process, it is reversed. So now let's see what are the advantages of this lithium ion battery. High energy density, high voltage, so there is no memory effect, flat discharge voltage. The functions of the safety security is long shelf life, unlike your nickel metal hydride battery, simple storage and transportation, and it is environmental friendly. Environmental friendly, of course, all batteries should be disposed properly. Why it is called as environmental friendly? Because the reactions are not toxic. Since the reactions are not toxic, it is called as environmental friendly. So you know what is energy density, you know what is long shelf life, we have discussed already in our nickel metal hydride itself, right? So next, disadvantages. So limited service life, limited discharge current, high self discharge, high maintenance. So these are the discharge, these are also the disadvantages of our lithium ion battery. So it is used, where they are used? So used in mobiles. So all, any mobile it might be made up of anything. So all mobiles will contain lithium ion battery, laptops, electric vehicles as discussed. So the nickel metal hydride battery will be replaced by, nickel metal hydride battery will be replaced by what? Our lithium ion battery. Nickel cadmium is also replaced by lithium ion battery. Your toys, your digital cameras, torches, so anything you name, it contains lithium ion battery because the shelf life of that is very high. So used in tools such as cordless drills, I told you, right, drilling machine, cordless drills, saws, and variety of gardening machines. You have so many gardening machines, right, like cutting wool, everything. So all these gardening machines also contains what? Lithium ion battery. They are also used in portable radios. Now you know radios also become portable. So earlier used to have huge radios, but now the radios are also become portable radios, portable devices. So not only here, we have started using these devices even in medical treatment also. So they are used in cardiac, that is heart pacemakers and other implantable devices. So it requires heart, when you heart pacemakers, so when it requires some energy, right? So when there you are going to use lithium ion battery. So why it is used? Because of its invariable sizes. You can obtain lithium ion in various sizes. So because of its various sizes, compatible to various sizes, it is having variety of applications. It is used in semiconductor driven audio, portable electrical vehicles, Note PC, DVC, DSC, DVD, portable LCD TV, portable CD player, AMD player. So it is having n number of applications. You name this, it contains lithium ion batteries. So before this, you used to use nickel metal hydride, nickel cadmium batteries. Once lithium ion battery is entered, so all the devices you are going to use, it is made compatible to lithium ion battery only. Okay, and environmental friendly, I told you, of course, any battery you are supposed to dispose it safely. None of the batteries are environmental friendly. Why we use here it as environmental friendly? Because the reactions are non-toxic. Okay, so in nickel metal hydride also reaction is non-toxic, and even here lithium ion also the reaction is non-toxic. Since the reactions are non-toxic, it is called as eco-friendly. Okay, thank you.